So this is a short but hard uh, wall hop tower. So first I'm gonna do the real one versus the shortcut. So yeah, let's go. Okay, still hard, man. Oh my god, finally. Oh nice.
Nakapag-start na yung Brawl Garden ah.
Laro ako.
Ha?
Only 9 spaces are left. No! No! That is impossible. No! No! I was late. Just like when I go to school, I'm late. Still kinda hard. Brother. No, just kidding. No, man. No, it's so hard. How is it so? It's not my way. Then it's my way. I'm gonna do my way because it's easier, you know. This is what computer people do. There. 3, 2, 1. Nah, why didn't it work? I'm supposed to do this. Well, like that. How is he floating like that? What is so nice. And nah, I did what that guy did. But why is it so hard, man? Oh wait, I forgot. Brother, what? So hard, man. No, just kidding. Just need to do this. And for that, I just need to do the shortcut. Because this thing is it's really impossible. That's more impossible than that. I'll do the shortcut. Still hard though. Just need to stay here. And the shortcut is kinda hard. Okay. Can I do this? Yeah, I can. Yeah, I cannot even do that. Super welcome. How am I gonna do this? That is so hard. Who can even do this? If I can't do this, then I cannot do that. That's so hard. No, why is it so hard? Oh man, I'm about to rage quit. We just need to do this. No, that's also hard. Just need to go there. There's a shortcut one. And this video is over. Nah, nah. English pa talaga. Tagalog naman talaga. It's so hard. Nah, I rage quit. I rage quit. Not next video. I'm gonna do the Pinoy Tower again. Try over again. Why?
What?
What the?
La mamá de 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 la mamá.
Sabi siya Pinoy. But again, there was 130 games. 500 minutes.
What if ilang oras na siyang hindi nagre-reply sa'yo? Hirap, no? Sinasabi mo sa sarili mo na okay lang yun. Malakas ako. Kaya ko naman eh. Kahit di siya mag-reply. Pero what if may kinakausap naman na pala talagang iba? What if nakaschedule ka pala?
So nga.
Mama, kamusta na di na? tayong lagi nagkikita. Miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauuna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iibang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, Tana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la ta, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la ta. Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, di ba? Ang aking puso yung hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo, at hanggang sa dulo, magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko. Dahil ikaw ang aking paa sa tuwing ako'y gagapang ng dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, Tana. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, Papa. Pahinga muna, ako na. La tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la ta, la tara tara, la tara tara, la tara tara tara, la tara la ta. Yeah. Di ko na sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ang mahalaga. Whoa. At
Ikaw ba na pangarap ko? O siya bang kumakatok sa puso ko? Ano kahit ilalim ko, isip ba o ang puso ko?